The best time to prune a Japanese maple tree is either winter or summer. Avoid pruning your Japanese maple if it's less than 15 years old, since it will cause the tree to put out more skinny, unattractive branches. Use clean, sharp pruning shears and loopers to prune your tree. For an upright Japanese maple, move throughout the tree and thin some of the small, lateral branches. You want to leave enough branches that all of the spaces are filled in, but not so many that the tree looks overcrowded. Prune any branches that extend into the scaffold above or below them too. You should also remove any dead branches as well as any lower limbs that are in the way of foot traffic or nearby shrubs. For a lace-leaf Japanese maple, thin the branches in the same way, and also prune any branches that touch the ground. Remove any dead or unattractive branches as well. Leave a veil at the top of the tree to protect it from the sun. Whichever variety you're working with, never prune more than 1/5 of the tree's crown at a time, and avoid removing any branch that is more than half the diameter of the stem it branches off of. This will help keep your tree healthy and avoid unattractive growth.